Mahirap maghanap ng pera. Just help me eat whatever.
No problem, why?
I don't know how to go inside.
There's a filter, yeah. And this is the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge. Yeah. Before filter, after filter. Okay. Okay, this one. It should be same with this. Okay. If not same, so it's been there is problem. There's a problem, right? Boutique. Can I see how to open this one? Yeah. Okay.
Bro, pagkakal ka bro. Hirap ng buhay. Mahirap maghanap ng pera. So nakikita niyo yung mga halaman na yan guys. Yan, lahat yan nanggagaling ang irrigation or yung water dito sa chamber na to.